In this video, we are going to solve this indefinite integral of e to the sine of x times sine of 4x. So I am going to start off by simplifying the sine of 4x. Then I will place that in the integral. So let's start with sine of 4x. See what that really is. So this one is the same as sine of 2x plus 2x, right? This is trivial. And this one is 2 sine of 2x. Cosine of 2x from the double angle identity, right? So this one is the same as 2, and sine of 2x can also be written as 2 sine of x cosine of x. So this one can also be written as 2 sine of x cosine of x. That is the same as the sine of 2x. And then I'm going to multiply that one by cosine of 2x. Cosine of 2x from the double angle identity is the same as cosine square of x minus sine square of x. So this one is equals to 2 into, so it's now 4. So 2 times 2 here is going to be 4. Then you are left with sine x times cosine of x. And then we are going to multiply that one by cosine square of x minus sine square of x. From the Pythagorean identities, cosine square of x is 1 minus sine square of x minus sine square of x, right? And what does this one simplify to? This one is 4 sine of x cosine of x, and then 1 minus 2 sine square x. Okay, so this is what sine 4x can really be expressed. This is how I can express it. And now I'm going to replace that in the integral. So this is now the integral of e to the sine of x. This 4 is a constant, so it comes out here. Then I'm going to replace sine of 4x with this one. 4 is already out, so I'm left with, I'm going to write this one as sine of x multiplied by 1 minus 2 sine square of x. And then I'm going to bring cosine of x dx here. And I'm going to do a u sub. So let's switch back again. So doing a u sub, I'm going to let u to be equal to sine of x. So du is going to be cosine of x dx. So in place of cosine of x dx, I'm going to replace that with du. So let's take the integral from the x world into the u world. So I is going to be 4 times the integral of e to the sine of x is u. And then sine of x again, this is u times 1 minus 2u squared times cosine of x dx is du. Cool. This is I to be equal to 4 times the integral of e to the u multiplied by u minus 2u cubed times du. And I'm going to do integration by parts. So d and I, so d for differentiation and e for integration. I am going to differentiate this boy here, u minus 2u to the third, right? And then I am going to integrate e to the u. So plus minus, so plus minus plus minus plus. So let's see, differentiating u minus 2u cubed, that is going to give you what? 1 minus 6u squared. Differentiating again, that is going to give you what? Negative 12u. Differentiating again, that is going to give you negative 12. Differentiating for the last, that's going to give you 0. And integrating this one is just e to the u all along. E to the u. So what you have to do is to multiply diagonal terms, and that will be the value of our integral. Very easy, right? So we multiply diagonal terms until there are no diagonal terms again to multiply. 0 multiplied by the next one here is going to be 0 anyway. So we are done. So our integral I is 4 times our integral. So this is just now the product of diagonal terms. So the first one is going to be u minus 2u to the third. This is multiplied by e to the u. Next one is minus this 1 minus u, 6u squared, multiplied by e to the u. Next one is this times that, and that is going to give you minus 12. So I'm going to continue here. Minus 12u multiplied by e to the u. Last one is minus minus. So that's going to give you positive 12. e to the u. So let's simplify it out. This one is 4. And now when you are multiplying, that is going to give you u e to the u minus 2u cube e to the u, minus multiplying this one out is going to give you e to the u, and then plus 6u squared e to the u minus 12u e to the u plus 12e to the u, 12e to the u. So we are done. So plus c plus the constant of integration. Okay, so I is going to be, you can factorize e to the u out because that is common. So 4e to the u. Then what you are left with is, you can group some like terms. This is left with u minus 2u cube minus 1 plus 6u squared minus 12u plus 12. Are there some like terms to group? I think so. So I is going to be 4e to the u plus the constant of integration here. 4e to the u, there are some like terms. If we start off by negative 1 plus 12 here is going to give you 11. And then the u terms, that is going to give you u minus 12u. That is going to give you negative 11u. And then plus 6u squared minus 2u to the third plus the constant of integration. And then what is the expression for u? U is equal to the sine of x. So you just replace that with sine of x and then we are done. Right? So I is going to be 4 e to the sine of x, because u is sine of x, into 11 minus 11 sine of x plus 6 sine square x minus 2 sine to the third power of x plus the constant of integration. That is it. So if we integrate this term here, e to the sine of x times sine of 4x dx. This one evaluates to 4 e to the sine of x outside, and then 11 minus 11 sine of x plus 6 sine square x minus 2 sine to the third power of x plus the constant of integration. So this one is the value of this beautiful integral. So if you have an easier way, a shortcut to answering this, so make sure to comment in the comment section and let me know what you think. So that's how I can solve it. If you find this helpful, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. I thank you and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.